Electrician Training Program. Presented by LifeBridge Foundation. Dear friends and supporters, LifeBridge Foundation is pleased to introduce our electrician training program. Designed to equip individuals, especially youth and job seekers, with practical electrical skills for employment and self-reliance. In today's modern world, electricity plays a vital role in homes, businesses, and industries. Skilled electricians are always in demand. And this program aims to prepare participants with the knowledge and hands-on experience needed to succeed in this important field. What you will learn: basic electrical concepts, voltage, current, resistance, house wiring and installation techniques, use of electrical tools and equipment, safety procedures and hazard prevention, installation and maintenance of electrical systems, troubleshooting and repairing electrical faults. This training combines theoretical knowledge with practical work, as most electrician courses focus heavily on hands-on experience to build real skills. Objectives: develop technical skills for job opportunities, promote self-employment and small business skills, prepare trainees for local and overseas work, build confidence and professional ability. Career opportunities. After completing this training, participants can work as electricians, electrical technicians, maintenance workers, independent contractors. Electrical training programs prepare individuals to install, maintain, and repair electrical systems in homes and industries. We humbly request your prayers and financial support to help us empower individuals and build a brighter future together.